Shut up and sit down.
DLVTT.
In 1906, the first hotel in Las Vegas opened its doors. Originally called the Hotel Nevada, the Golden Gate Hotel and Casino set the standard for Las Vegas hospitality for years to come. If walls could talk, the Golden Gate would have a lot to say. It's welcomed ranchers and railroad men, singers and starlets, mobsters and vacationers from around the world. And today, it's still welcoming guests with newly renovated hotel rooms and a state-of-the-art casino floor. But the charm and elegance of years past is still here. From the original guest check-in book to our vintage slot machines, we've preserved the history for all to enjoy. Some of the highlights of the property are the original 10 hotel rooms. Beautifully restored, these hotel rooms date back to the original opening in 1906, making them the oldest in Las Vegas. To complement your stay, each guest who books an original 10 hotel room will receive 2 tickets to the Mob Museum, a top 20 museum in the country. And no stay in Las Vegas would be complete without a visit to Bar Prohibition, the original bar of the Golden Gate Hotel and Casino, a place where wild women of the roaring 20s let loose, and a whiskey-washed hangout frequented by Frank Sinatra, Sammy Davis Jr., and Dean Martin. Transport yourself back in time and visit us at the Golden Gate Hotel and Casino, the Las Vegas original since 1906, and the official address of Las Vegas.